Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to print mathematical table of a given number. I want output in this format. So let's get started. First I will write the code and later on we will see. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now we need to give file name. Filename.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So filename.py. Now click on Save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. Now we need to execute this program in the command prompt. To open command prompt, click here and enter cmd to open command prompt. Enter. Now we need to give path. Enter dictionary dir. Enter. Now you need to type file name. File name with the extension .py. Enter. Now which table you want? Like I want 7. Enter. See, we are getting output as 7 table from 1 to 10. Again we will see the output. Tab filename.py. Now we will see 8 table. Enter. See, we are getting the 8 table. I will copy paste the output. Yeah, this is the output and this is the code. And this is the code. We will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a table number by the user. And it will print n. I will show you the output. See. Here it will print n. If you don't want to print n, just simply remove this. Yeah, now I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 1 means now first initial I value is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 10. If the statement is true, then it will enter the loop. Then num equal to n into, this is the multiple, n into I. Given number is 7 into 1. Then it will print 7 as the output. Now print string of n. This is the into operator. Here into and str of I concatenate equal to, this is the string, so it will print equal to here, and str of number. We will get this number from here. This is the print statement. After printing the first output, then it will increment the value of I by 1. Now I value is 2. Then it will enter again the loop. 2 is less than or equal to 10. This statement is true. So it will enter the loop. Again it will do the calculations and again increment the I value by 1. Now I value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. The statement is true. Then again it will enter the loop. Again it will print the table and again it will increment the value of I by 1. Now I value is 4. Again it will check the loop. If the statement is true, it will enter the loop. It will check until the value of I equal to 10. When the value of I equal to 10, it will exit the loop. Suppose if you want till 100 the table, now we have to write 0 here. We will check this one. Click on save and we will see the output. File name .py table 4. See, we are getting till 100. 100th table we are getting from 1 to 100th table. If you want till 50, we can write here 50. Now we will see the output. File name .py. Now we will see 3 table. Enter. See, we are getting till 50. Like this, we can get the multiples of a given number. In this way, we need to write the code to get the multiplication table of a given number. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. I hope this code is clear to all. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.